how to build a six-figure cleaning business with no money. So this is something that is entirely possible to do, and one of the reasons I got into the industry in the first place. You really do require very little capital to get started. So in this video, I'm going to take you along the path from $0 to six figures and beyond. And at that stage, things can get really interesting. You can bring in virtual assistants to run your business. You can have a team of cleaners doing the work for you. And that stage, you really have a passive income asset that generates you cash as you go along. So let's get started then. Within the cleaning business, there is a certain niche that I think that you should specialize in, particularly if you've got zero capital, not much in terms of funds to get started. And I think this is the residential cleaning space. So this is going into people's homes, ideally cleaning for them every week or every 2 weeks. Those recurring clients, as I've talked about on other videos on my channel, are really where the gold nuggets are. So you want to focus on capturing and serving these residential cleaning clients. Secondly, you want to go after those clients or serve those clients who already have the main equipment with them. So obviously the main piece of equipment will be the vacuum, possibly the mop and bucket. And in my cleaning business today, we only work with clients where they have the vacuum and the mop and bucket at the property. And for 99% of the clients that we work with, that is absolutely fine. And actually, the fact if you come across a client without that, it's probably a bit of a red flag because it shows that the property hasn't been cleaned for a long time. That's a slight aside. So residential cleaning clients that have the equipment for you to do the cleaning. So you don't need to invest lots of money buying expensive vacuums or mops and buckets at the beginning to really get started. So broadly, there are three ways that I think that you can get residential cleaning clients if you don't have any money. These will all take time, but these can be an extremely effective way to get clients, particularly at the beginning. And we still use many of these channels in my business today. So first of all, friends and family. This may be obvious for many of you, but do not underestimate the value of your friends and family network. They will be really, cheering you on, telling their friends, telling their family about you and your business. And there will be a natural, conversation with their friends and their family. But what we can try to do is really try to accelerate this. So if we're going from zero to trying to get in front of those people, make sure that you send everyone an individual text message, ideally call them or send them an email. Really try and figure out, are there any of their friends or family that would be interested in their services. Obviously, your friends and family would be great clients as well. But a way to accelerate this further is by giving them a referral code, a discount code. And what you could say is, say you have a friend, your friend Ben, and you can tell them, okay, Ben, we're going to give you this discount code, Ben20. You can share that with all your friends and family. And if any of them book, they'll get 20% off their first cleaning, but you'll also get a referral bonus from me as well. And the reason why I really like this as a way to get started is that it doesn't mean that you have to put up any cash up front. You can pay Ben's referral bonus out of the revenue that you generate. Obviously, you're discounting that job for the client, so there's no money that goes up front either. And the referral bonus scheme just really accelerates the process because you'll get some friends or family that suddenly they're finding that they're getting some money coming in as well, so they may forward it on to more friends and family, and those friends and family might forward it on again. So do not underestimate the value of your friends and family network. You want to do this right at the beginning. You want to have conversations with them over the following weeks, seeing if any friends or family have inquired, anything like that. And in the coming months, every 4, 6, 8 weeks, just checking in with your friend and see if there's anyone else out there. Sending them a warm reminder about what you do. So really try to leverage your friends and family network. This will be probably one of the most powerful and the easiest way to get those first few clients coming in. Once you do the work for those clients and you do a great job, then hopefully you can get them in the calendar as recurring clients, and they will then start to refer their friends and family, and you can use exactly the same referral bonus tactics as well. So one is friends and family. Two is partnering up with complementary cleaning companies. So what do I mean by this? So partnering up with other companies can be a great way to suddenly get your company visible in front of lots of other potential clients. The companies that I'm thinking about, say we are a house cleaning business, as I said at the beginning, but we don't offer window cleaning, or we don't offer carpet cleaning, or we don't offer oven cleaning. What you want to be doing is looking in your area for window cleaners, carpet cleaners, oven cleaners who only provide that service. They don't provide, you don't want to be partnering up with other cleaning companies that also offer house cleaning services, because there's obviously going to be an overlap there. So you want to partner up with those specialist companies. And again, in exactly the same way, we want to use a referral scheme approach when we're contacting them. So come up with a list of companies, you can simply Google them in your area and contact them and say, we're looking to develop some partnerships with high quality window cleaning companies in the area. It's not a service that we offer. Promote your services to our clients and you do the same. We can set up some sort of referral bonus scheme. So again, let's say Andy's window cleaning service, you say, hi Andy, if you email your coupon code Andy20 to your email list, and one of your clients books, they'll get 20% off their first cleaning, and you'll also get a referral bonus as well. So really, this is free money for your partner. The only unknown really is whether you as a house cleaning business can provide a sufficiently high standard of service that if Andy refers clients to you, that they have a good experience. Obviously, if the quality is not there, he will be reluctant to refer any future business to you. So make sure obviously that the quality of your cleaning is high. And the reason why, again, the referral bonus scheme works great with partners is that you obviously have two partners in a relationship. You as the startup in the house cleaning business, you don't have any clients, so you won't be able to refer a huge amount of business to Andy. But Andy, because he's more established, he will probably refer more clients over to you than the other way around. But by having this referral bonus scheme where you pay them for every single client that is referred, he will not feel disillusioned that he's sending you all these clients but not getting any in return, because you are paying for these clients that he's sending over. So partnering up with complementary cleaning companies can work really, really great. Obviously, those clients value cleaning. If they have a window cleaning company signed up or a carpet cleaning, they probably are interested in house cleaning as well. And one of the great things about partnerships is that not every single company you speak to will say yes, but if you do come across a partner and it works out well, that partnership can stay with you for the life of the business and generate you clients and revenue into the future. So there's a fair amount of work up front. It can take a bit of time to get it nailed down, but once it's nailed down, you'll just get this constant lead flow coming your way. So number 2 is partnerships. Number 3 is using LinkedIn to find property managers or estate agents in your area. So this is primarily thinking about the move-in, move-out cleans, the one-off cleans, the post-construction cleans, that type of cleaning, as opposed to recurring. So as I said, I think the recurring clients are a great client base, but in terms of getting started and getting money coming in, again, we can get some good amount of revenue by offering out move in, move out cleans. And LinkedIn is a very, very powerful tool because you can very easily use the search tool to find property managers in your area. It could be property managers in Chicago, or it could be realtors in Orange County, California. You can use the search tool, filter it by location, by the person's job title. And why that is really more effective than doing a simple Google search is that LinkedIn will tell you that specific person's job title, and you can contact that person, you can send them a LinkedIn message, and then you can propose a call if there is interest there. But many of these people will need a cleaning company. Maybe they're already using a cleaning company at the moment, maybe they're looking for a cleaning company, or maybe they're using one and they're not happy, but they will definitely need cleaning companies. So that is a third source of clients as well. So the reason why the move-in, move-outs and the post-constructions are great jobs is that the value of those jobs can be very high. They could be $500, $600, $700, but they're not as recurring in the calendar. They're not the same day every week. But nonetheless, to get the business up and running, this can be a great thing to offer out as well. So try and partner up with those property managers, use LinkedIn, bit of Google to find the right person, right people, and just start contacting those companies. So those are the three main channels. In terms of breaking out the numbers, to go from $0 to $100,000 over the year, it means that you need to be on a run rate of just over $8,000 a month. If we are, in those first two channels, if we are picking up recurring clients, and let's assume that a typical recurring client pays you $200 a cleaning, and you clean for them bi-weekly, so every 2 weeks. So $200 twice a month would be $400. Take $8,000 a month, divide it by the $400 per recurring client, and that means you only need to have 20 recurring clients, 20 bi-weekly clients to hit that six-figure number. So by reverse engineering the maths in this way, it just shows you that you don't need a huge number of clients to hit six figures. You can very easily, you could probably serve 20 recurring clients just yourself. Let's say you can do 2 cleanings a day. So you need to be, if you have 20 bi-weekly clients, you need to have 20 spots over 2 weeks. So if you work Monday to Friday, that's 10 spots. If you do that for 2 weeks, that's 20 spots. So you could probably hit six figures just doing the cleaning yourself. But as I said, if you are also picking up some move in, move out cleans and picking up some revenue there, in actual fact, you don't need 20 recurring clients. You maybe need 15 recurring clients, and you'll be picking up some post-construction and move in, move out cleans as well. So actually, to get to six figures from zero is very, very doable. Use those three channels to pick up those clients without spending money at the beginning, and you will really get to that position very quickly. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please hit subscribe if you do. That really, really helps me. In the next video, I'm going to go into more detail about how you get those first 100 clients as quickly as possible. We talked about how do we get the first 20, how do we go from 20 to 100. So this will be really, really helpful in terms of how you make that next step forward. So I'll see you on the next one.